What's good, Foodisons? It's your girl TK, and I'm back with another video. So let's make some stuffed peppers today. Alright, so I'm just going to tell you right from the gate, I'm going to do my best not to do too much talking. I don't know if you can tell, but it's allergy season, and it has seen fit to take charge over my respiratory system, or maybe just my nasal passages. Anyway, so not too much talking here. The video is pretty self-explanatory. Just a couple of things. I don't have any measurements for the tomatoes because these were just some leftover tomatoes I had from my garden that I needed to use up. So I'm just kind of guessing that they're about 28 ounces. Alright, here I'm using some Garden Gourmet lightly dried basil. I didn't have any fresh basil, which I definitely would have preferred. And now that I think about it, I didn't have any dried basil either. So this comes in handy if you ever need some lightly dried herbs. They have a variety of herbs. They have, I believe, chives, cilantro, basil, and some others. And then I think an Italian herb blend. So yeah, that's what the little sprinkling green stuff was. And here we have our stuffed peppers, and I'm telling you, these peppers were so good. I wish I had one to eat right now, but I don't, because we ate them all. So anyway, I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, you guys, take care. I'm going to do something about these allergies.